So cut the ignition on. Of course, I've tried entering the code several times. I was thinking I had the code in the glove box, but it was actually the serial number. So to get to the serial number, I had to hold down 1 and 6 and cut it on. And when I hit the power button, holding down 1 and 6, it showed me my serial number. And then I realized the number that I have on my glove box, some people were saying your code's in there. I guess if you're lucky. Mine was nothing more than the serial number. So all I actually had was the serial number. It wasn't my code. So with your VIN number and your serial number, if you go to Honda's website for your radio unlock code, you can actually print out your instructions and your code right away. There's places on the internet that say they can charge you to get you the code or whatever. All they're doing is just going and doing something you can do for free, just going to the Honda website. I just wanted to share with you guys that I found this video from the amateur car guy Honda Tech. The video he did on the Honda Accord radio unlock instructions and codes. I found it very helpful, as I did mine in my video. When you search for unlocking codes, you find things on the internet from people that want to sell you a actual code and send it to you and things of that nature. And this guy right here, if you watch his video, he actually shows you the link. It's easier to find that way to me than any other way. He shows you that link and you just go to it, and Honda will send you the actual code almost immediately. So now that I got my code, let's try to put it in. And there we go. And now my radio is back up. And I can actually set my blessed clock. Sucks, but it is a pain to have to go through. I don't know who would want to actually steal a factory radio, but I guess there's a reason for it. If you actually have the card that comes with it and it's in your actual glove box, good. But I bought it used, and of course no owner's manual, no card. But Honda did make it pretty painless. I was able to put in my VIN number and serial number and get the code within a couple minutes. One of the best things about getting my code finally put back in, it's nice to have the radio working, but you can't actually set your clock either on this one with the radio security code locked out. So that anti-theft system will get you where you can't even set your clock. So this 2010 Honda Accord has 2 different ways to set the clock. Hold the clock down. Hour should be 1. I went too far. 1 in minutes, 25. Okay, and we'll hit clock again and it's set. The other way to do it, press menu, it shows up clock adjust, select, and go over 1. We'll go over to 25, select, we'll go to 26, enter. So that's our other way to set the clock.